We are looking at R.D. Sharma Solutions, Class 10 Maths, Chapter 15, Exercise 15.4. In this figure, OACB, this is a figure, this is a square. So we have square of 7 centimeter side. If OAPC, that means this white region, if you see, is a quadrant of a circle with center O. Then find the area of the shaded region. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So what we will do, we'll find out the area of the square and we will subtract the area of the quadrant from here. So what is the area of the square? It is 7 into 7, right? And then we have to subtract the area of the quadrant, and it is given because theta by 360 into pi r square, theta is 90 degrees. So we get 1 by 4, 90 by 360, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into pi into r square. What is r? 7 into 7. This is 49 and this is 38.5. So what do you get? You get 10.5 centimeters square. In this figure, OE, this one is 20 centimeter. In sector OSFT, this sector OSFT, square OEFG is inscribed. So there is a square being inscribed here. And then we have find the area of shaded region. This portion we have to find out. So we'll find out the area of the quadrant, and then we'll subtract the area of this square. It is given that it is a square. So what is the area of the quadrant? If you see area of the quadrant, for that, because only this 20 is given, the radius of the quadrant involves the radius. So we need to find out this radius. So this is 20 and this is also 20. So this is 20 and this is 20. This is 90 degree. So what will this be? Square, we know that the diagonal will be equal to the side root 2. So this will be 20 root 2. Now this is the radius now. So this is the radius of now the quadrant. So what is the area of the quadrant? It will be theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degrees, so 90 by 360 into pi r square. So we get 1 by 4 pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. You can write it as 3.14. And then 20 root 2 is the radius. So 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. And then you have to subtract the area of the square, which is 20 into 20. That is 20 into 20, 400. Let me write 400, 20 square. So this is going to come as 628. And this is of course 400. So you get 228 centimeters square. Find the area of the shaded region, If AC, this AC is given as 24 centimeter and BC is 10 centimeter. And O is the center of the circle. So O is the center of the circle. So what we have to do, we have a semicircle here and we have a triangle. So area of this semicircle, that is ACB, or you can say AOBC. So area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle, that will give you the region here. But in order to find out the area of the semicircle, that is pi r square is the area of the circle and pi r square by 2 is the area of the semicircle. For this we need radius. So we have to find out the radius. For that we have 10 and 24. So what will be the diameter? This is 90 degrees. So we'll use the Pythagoras theorem. This will be 10 square plus 24 square under root. 10 square is 100. 24 square is 576. And you take under root. This is going to come as 676 under root, and this is 26. So you get the diameter as 26. So what will be the radius? It is 26 by 2. That is 13 is the radius. So now you can use here. Area of the semicircle will be pi r square by 2. So it will be half. Pi is 3.14 and radius is 13. So 13 into 13. And what you have to subtract? Area of the triangle. We know the area of triangle is half into base into altitude. What is the base? 10. Altitude is 24. You can take base as 24, altitude as 10. It depends on you. So half into 10 into 24. So what do you get here? You get this one as 265.33. And what do you get here? It will be 120. 2 tens are 20. 2 5s are 10 and 5 into 24 is 120. So you get 145.33 centimeters square. A circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle ABC of side 12 centimeter, touching its side. Find the radius of the inscribed circle and the area of the shaded part. So here we have to do what? First of all, we know that the area of equilateral triangle, that is area of triangle, we have to find out. and then we have to subtract the area of the circle. So area of the triangle, we know that the area of the triangle, that is equilateral triangle, area is nothing but root 3 by 4 a square, that is side square, and side is given already. So we get root 3 by 4 into 12 square here, area of the triangle. Now what is the area of the circle? For that we have to find out the radius. For that we have to find out the radius. So O is, because O is touching, means we have made a circle which is touching all the sides, and this is called as centroid. This point is centroid, and there is a property. The property is, if you drop a perpendicular, that is from A to this D, if you drop a perpendicular from this point to this point, and if this is the centroid, this divides the line into 1:3 ratio. So this will be, this part will be 1 by 3, and this part will be 2 by 3. So this is nothing but the radius only. So radius will be what? 1/3 of this AD, in this case AD. So how to find AD? The main thing is finding out the AD. So we have equilateral triangle, so this is 60 degree. See, this is 60 degree, right? And because we have dropped a perpendicular, the side is 12, so this will be 6, this will be 6. This will be 6, this will be 6. So for this triangle, let me take this triangle. So for this triangle, we have this as 60 degree, this as 6, and we have to find this one. Say it is altitude, h, let me take it as h. So tan 60 will be equal to h by 6, h by 6. So h will be equal to tan 60 is root 3, so 6 root 3 we get. And we have to find out the 1/3 of this edge to find out this radius, OD. So let us take 1/3 of this, so it is 2 root 3. So we get radius as 2 root 3. This is the radius, and this is 1/3 of this AD. AD we found out to be 6 root 3, we just took 1 by 3, so 2 root 3. So radius is, from here to here, it is 2 root 3. I hope you got the idea. Radius is 2 root 3. Now we are ready for the circle, pi r square. R is known, so pi 22 by 7 into r square, that is 2 root 3 whole square. So this will come to be, this if you compute, root 3 by 4, 12 square, it is going to come as 62.352. And if you compute this one, this is going to come as 37.714. Take the subtraction, you get 24.638 centimeters square. Okay, this will be your answer. In the figure, an equilateral triangle ABC of side 6 has been inscribed. Now the triangle is inside, and there is a circle which is passing through here, right? So since we know that when we drop a perpendicular here, and if you join this one, this will be the radius. This will be the radius. And the equilateral triangle of side, so we know the side also, 6. From here to here it is 6, right? The side is this one. So what we have to do, first we have to find out the area of the circle. That is, area of the circle minus area of the triangle is this shaded region. So area of the circle will be simply pi r square, 22 by 7 into r square. R we don't know right now. So let me just take it as r square. And then area of triangle is of course root 3 by 2, root 3 by 4, a square. Side is given, 6 is given. So 6 square. So we are now in a position to find out this r. So we are drawing a perpendicular here, and this point, as we know, this point is nothing but, because this is the radius and this is also radius, so this is the radius. So if we have a triangle, that is the equilateral triangle, and we drop a perpendicular, and we say from here we have drawn a line or draw a circle here, so this length will be 2/3 of this height. 2/3 is, say this is AD. So this AO will be equal to 2/3 of this AD. That is the only thing, because we know that this is 1/3, so this is 2/3. So what is AD? AO, sorry, and AO is nothing but the radius. Okay, this is the radius, this is the radius, this is the radius. So AO will be 2/3 of AD. Now AD, for that AD again we'll take this triangle. This AD we have to find out. This is 60 degree equilateral triangle, and this is what? See here, the side is 6. So when we drop a perpendicular, that is this will be 3, this will be 3. So this will be 3. So tan 60, let me take it as h by 3. So h will be 3, tan 60 is root 3. So we have 3 root 3. Okay, h is 3 root 3. So now this h is 3 root 3, and this AO is 2/3 of h. So it will be 2 by 3 of 3 root 3. So we get 2 root 3 again here. 2 root 3. Now we can put it here. So 22 by 7 into 2 root 3 whole square minus root 3 by 4 into 6 square. So with this, what do you get? This one is 37.714. This you get as minus 15.588 and you get 22.126 centimeter square. A circular field, the circular field has a perimeter of 650 meter. So perimeter is nothing but the boundary, boundary is nothing but the circumference for a circle. So 2 pi r is given as 650. A square plot having its vertices on the circumference of the field is marked in the field. So we have a circular field, then we have a square plot having its vertices on the circumference. So this is a square here. Vertices are on the circle. Circumference of the field is marked in the field. Calculate the area of the square plot. Calculate the area of the square plot. So we have first the circular field perimeter. So 2 pi r is 650. This r will be equal to 650 by 2 pi. This is 660 by 2 and pi is 22 by 7. So r you get as, you can use this only, you get this only. So we'll use this. Now, in order to find out the area of this, we have to find what? Area of the circle minus area of the square. Area of the circle, we can easily find out, right? We know that area of the circle is what? But in this case, we have to find out what? We have to find out the area of this one. An area of the circle, because r is already known to us. So area of this square will be, we have to find out. First, this is the diagonal. So this is the diagonal and we know this is, if this is a side A, this is a side A for a square, it is A root 2. So diagonal is, this is diagonal, but radius already we know. So this is diagonal and this is diameter also. So this is radius, so let us make it as 2r. So this 650 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 2, r into 2 is diameter and this is nothing but equal to the diagonal. So diagonal is what? This much. Diagonal is this much. But we know that if diagonal, say this comes to be 2r comes to be 2275 by 11. So if this is a diagonal, it is a root 2. So we can, if a is the side, it is equal to a root 2. So in order to find out the side of the square, we just say 275 by 11 and we put root 2 in the denominator. So now the side can be found out. It is this one. So now what is the area of the square? It is this square. So 2275 by 11 root 2 whole square. And this is coming to be 21386.88. So this is the one. But we have to calculate the area of square plot. So we don't have to worry about this. We just have to find out this area of the square which comes to be this one. Again, let me tell you that we drawn a circle. The perimeter is given. So we took 2 pi r equal to 650. We found out the r. And this is the radius. So this radius plus this radius, which is the diagonal or which is the diameter, is the diagonal of the square also. So diagonal of the square is a root 2 if the side is a, and this we found as it as 2r. So we just equated it and found the a, and then we computed a square. Find the area of the shaded region in this figure, where a circular arc of radius 7 cm has been drawn with a vertex A of an equilateral triangle ABC of side 14 cm as center. So here what we have to do, first we will find out the area of this triangle, area of this circle, we will add them, that is area of the circle, area of the triangle, and then we will subtract this area of sector. This we have to do. So the dimensions are given here because 14 is the side of the equilateral triangle. The 7 is the side, that is the radius of the circle. So area of the circle will be what? Pi r square. So it is simply pi r is 7. Pi r square. Then we have area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is what? Because it is an equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 into side square. So side is given as 14 into 14. Now what is the area of this sector? Because angle is given, so it will be theta by 360 into pi r square. What is pi? 22 by 7. And r is what? For that this is 7. 7 into 7. So this comes to 154, this comes to 84.77, and this comes to 360. This comes to 14 into 12, so this is 51.3. So when you compute this, this is going to come as 187.44 meters square. A regular hexagon is inscribed in a circle. So we have a regular hexagon which is inscribed in a circle. Hexagon is having 6 sides. Hex means 6 sides, and then the angle, all the angles are also same, and if you join these, there will be 6 triangles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 of equal area. They are symmetric also, and they are congruent also. So we have to find the area of the circle. For finding the area of the circle, we need the radius. So the area of the hexagon, that is, if you take this one triangle, there are 6 triangles, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 into area of one triangle is equal to the area of the hexagon, which is given 24√3. So area of the triangle is what? The area of OAB, that is this triangle. Area of triangle is nothing but 24√3 by 6. So area of the triangle is 4√3. This is what we got. Now, area of hexagon, the area of this, as I said, this triangle is an equilateral triangle. So in order to find out the side, we know that the area of the triangle is what? √3 by 4 a square. But we have known that the area of triangle is 4√3. So just equate it. √3 by 4 a square is equal to 4√3. But interestingly, this radius is nothing but, this side is nothing, this a is nothing but r. So radius and a, they both are same. In this case, this is radius, this is side of the triangle also. So we'll put r here. So r square will be 4√3 into 4 by √3. So that is nothing but √3 cancel, 4 square, r will be equal to 4. So we got the radius now. Now we can find out the circle, area of the circle. Area of the circle is simply pi r square. We know the radius, so pi is 3.14 and r is 4 into 4, that is, this is going to be 16. 4 into 4, that is 16, and this is going to be 50.24 square units. Okay. ABCDEF is a regular hexagon with center O. So we have a center O. If the area of the triangle OAB is given to be 9 centimeters square, find the area of the hexagon and the circle in which the hexagon is inscribed. Circle in which the hexagon is inscribed. So we have a circle outside, and then we have a, if I can draw a circle, there is a circle in which this hexagon is being inscribed. So we have to find out the area of the hexagon. As we know that area of the triangle is OAB, this is 9. So we have 6, we have how many? 6 triangles, and they are all exactly equal. So 6 into area of one triangle, that is 9. So area of the hexagon will be what? 6 into 9, that is 54. This is the area of the hexagon. This is done. Now circle in which the hexagon is inscribed, so for that we need the radius, and radius is nothing but the side of the equilateral triangle. So what is the area of the triangle, which is equilateral triangle? √3 by 4 into a square, and which is nothing but the r square also. Okay, r square or a square you can write, and this is equal to 9. It is given that the area of triangle is 9. Okay, so r and a both are same, so r square will directly use. So r square will be equal to 9 into 4 by √3. So this will be 36 by √3. R square we know, but we have to find out the area of the circle, which is pi r square, and we don't know that this r and a are both same. So in this r square we can put this one. So 22 by 7 into 36 by √3. If you take value of √3, that is 1.732, you get 65.24 centimeters squared. This is the answer. Four equal circles, each of radius 5 centimeters. So we have 4 equal circles, each are having radius 5 centimeter. Touch each other like this. Find the area included between them. So what we will do, see, first of all, this is 1 quadrant, this is 2 quadrant, this is 3 quadrant, and this is 4 quadrant. And as we know already that these 4 quadrant, 1, 2, 3, 4, if you combine them, they are making a circle. So we have to find out the area of the square and then you subtract the area of the 4 quadrant, and which is nothing but this circle only. So what is the area of the square? What is the area of the square? Because the side is given. So this is 10. 5 plus 5, 10. So we have 10 into 10 is the area of square. Now what is the area of 4 quadrant? It is pi r square. Because it is forming these all 1, 2, 3, 4 combined, making a circle only. So pi into radius is what? 5. 5 into 5. This is 100 minus 78.5, and this is going to be 21.5 centimeters square. And this is your answer. Now the next question we are going to take in the next session. So till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.